Hello Crossroads community, welcome back to another segment of Frequently Asked Questions. I'm Dr. Stephen List, and this week we're talking about what is that popping sound I hear during an adjustment. Now, I know when people begin to think about that popping sound, it can create worry, it can create anxiety, or maybe even a little bit of fear. But please hear me. Nothing bad is happening there. There is no bones being broken or fractured during an adjustment. In fact, the sound you're hearing is very similar to the sound you hear when somebody cracks their knuckles. Now, those two things are not the same. Cracking your knuckles and getting adjusted, two completely different things. But the similarity between them is that sound. Now, what is that sound? It's gas being released from the joint. Because what happens when a spinal joint is not moving properly, little gas bubbles can build up within those joints. And so when we adjust you, we're releasing that gas and freeing up that motion. So please, if you're worried about that sound, bring it up with us. We'd love to talk with you about it further. But remember, it's just gas getting released. You're completely safe being adjusted. And so if that's been a worry of yours and that's been holding you back from getting adjusted or seeing a chiropractor, reach out to us please at 740-513-4811 or by visiting us at crossroadschiropractic.us. Reach out to us either way, whether it's you or a family member or a friend, and let's have that conversation so we can begin to move you in the right direction. I'm Dr. Stephen List, and this was your frequently asked question this week, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.